Hey guys, I'm Mel. I work in social media at Yes2, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our brand new Zit Zapping Dots. I love these Zit Zapping Dots. They are super fun and incredibly effective. It actually took our team almost 2 years to develop this product. We walk around the office with them. They're super great at just like banishing those blemishes. I'm almost 30 years old and I still get little breakouts right here, and I use them all the time. Now I'm going to show you how to apply them. First, I'm going to prep my skin with our charcoal wipes, and charcoal is super great for detoxifying and removing those little impurities. And it's really important to clear and clean all of my skin before using our Zit Zapping Dots. I'm going to lightly dampen the area where I had a few breakouts. So I want to zap those zits. I'm going to dry my hands. Take the side of the dot that peels away from the plastic backing and just apply it right on that zit. The red and black dots are equally effective. And now I'm going to apply another dot where I have an extra little breakout. So I'm dampening my skin, drying my hand with a towel. And place that on top of the zit. It's great to leave it on overnight for best results. These Zit Zapping Dots are awesome because they're really travel friendly. They come in like these little packets. You get 24 dots per pack, and they're like mini masks for your face.